there's three pillars in my opinion to generate leads for real estate within the capacity, within the context of this meeting. There's three ways to generate leads, okay? Number one lead is the one that we've all learned now, our sphere of influence. Who are the people in our network that we should be in touch with? These could be our friends, these could be our family, this is Facebook, this is Instagram. Who out there that we maybe know and that we've known for years and years and years is looking to buy or sell or rent? And then are we going to be top of mind? So number one is, how do we get to them? Well, the way that we like to think about this is email, SMS, and social. So we always think, how do we provide the maximum number of value, calories, points, horsepower in the content that we create and share? We always love doing video. Okay. So we always say, whoever it may be, use video. Don't just ask, are you looking to buy or you sell? That's not valuable, in my opinion. And you know this because you're a professional. But it's always good to kind of sort of iterate the whole idea of give, get, right? So the thing that we always love to share is to go to Dub AI and say, write me a script. Write me a script about folks who live in, between Dallas and Fort Worth in Texas. And I lived by there for a couple of months on off the LBJ, and that's a story for another time in Addison. But how do we create value for folks that are there, that want to buy, that want to sell? Do we give them 7 pointers on how to increase the value of their home? Do we teach them how to improve their FICO score so that they can become more qualified buyers? Whatever you're an expert in, whatever you love to communicate, go and tell WAI that. And WAI will help craft your script. Now, it doesn't stop there. Any AI can craft a script for you. That's not very interesting. What becomes interesting is when you grab this brick from your pocket, where if you open up the Dub mobile app, make sure that your accounts are synced. There's a little drop down in the top left. And what you do is you click on the camera icon right here. And in the camera icon, all you have to do is open up your teleprompter. And now you've got your teleprompter right there with your script. So now you can hold your phone upright, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, whatever it is that you're using, or you can go sideways for long form YouTube, right? You can also send a video email using Dub. That's one of the technologies that we have. The point is, though, is to create value, educational value, where you are building trust with your clientele, providing content, reading your script, and explaining to people how they can improve their lives, improve their happiness. And that is a phenomenal way. So, number one is value to our sphere of influence, our friends, our existing network. We love that. Create a video and share with them. In fact, do it on all channels. Send a video email using Dub, put it on YouTube, put it on Instagram, put it on TikTok, put it on Facebook, put it on X, and watch what happens. One of our clients is one of the world's most famous real estate influencers. Her name is Tatiana Londono. She has an amazing coaching program, and she teaches how real estate agents and how, frankly, anyone can go become absolutely consistent on Instagram and other social channels to go put content out there, build their brand, and then generate leads. She's got over 1 million followers, and she says she swears by this. Do this every day for 30 days, put your videos on social, and watch what happens with respect to building your personality and generating leads. Okay. Yeah, I can help write the scripts. The Dub mobile app can help you use the teleprompter to record those videos. And once that video is on your phone, don't be afraid, post it. Let's be fearless. And it's if you're not feeling a little cringy, you're probably doing something wrong. Okay. So that's the first thing, sphere of influence. The second thing that we like to talk about is, how do we go and generate leads from social, which I also just mentioned. So sphere of influence and social. The value of putting our content on social is that it doesn't just go to the folks in our network, our existing followers. It also goes to people outside of our network. Like, for example, if you put a reel on Instagram, it's not just going to be seen by your followers, it will be seen by other folks. Put Dallas, put Fort Worth, put your Texas, whatever it is that your location is, your keywords, hashtags, put that in there, and it's going to help you find your audience. Okay. Sphere of influence, social, right? Now that's a cold audience. The third thing that we love to think about is generating leads. Now, these are cold leads because they haven't done any inbound activity with you, but they're still leads. So the thing that we have set up on AI is we have very expansive lead generation. So I encourage you all to right now go to ai.dub.com and say, generate 3 leads for XYZ people in element P zode that fit these certain parameters. Whatever it is, it could be a VP of sales owner in a zip code, be someone with a high equity amount in their home, a non-owner occupy, an out-of-state owner, the list goes on. So I encourage you to do that to generate your leads. Now, once the leads are generated, now we can go through a whole nother sequence. But the key, though, is generating our leads. Sphere of influence, get them value. Social, create your video content, disseminate it onto the channels, and generate cold leads. And then the next thing we can talk about is what to do when we have those cold leads to reach out, to send videos, to send SMS, pick up the phone, to provide value, and even send physical mail. So I hope that was a good, quick little masterclass on how we can support you, John. I would love to get your feedback.
Yeah, I like all of that. That's great. And one thing you said that may help me is I may be able to consolidate some of this other stuff that I'm paying for. Like I pay for, teleprompter through Captions AI. I have a separate tab
Cancel,
I pay
cancel
for.
that.
So this would be some consolidation stuff that I can look at. And I don't know, I use ChatGPT and Claude
Yes,
both. I'm very heavy into that.
good.
That's how I've created all my campaigns for GoHighLevel. And
Great. This WAI integrates with GoHighLevel, so you're in a good place.
that's what I saw. It looked really good. Now,
Yeah.
one thing I had asked earlier, and he told me on Tuesday I could do this. So, like, if I pull down, my expireds and FSBOs and cancels every day, I can put them out there and y'all do the skip tracing and all that stuff and give them back to me. Did I understand that all right? Pull the do not
I
calls and
mean,
stuff like
we
that.
that's that last part. Do not what?
The do not calls,
Yes, yes,
pulls all the
yes.
do not calls out of there. I don't want no trouble with that.
You're a perfect fit for this. Right, we're right around the 30-minute mark or the 45-minute mark where all these AIs start to infiltrate our chat.
Uh-oh.
So yeah,
Right.
it's amazing. Okay, so these are great questions. I would love to have you signed up for WAI yet? Have you gone through the process?
I got the free trial version a week ago, but I didn't get a chance to use it. And then when I started to test it, I think it was yesterday, my trial had run out. He said
Okay.
that he was extending the trial for a week,
And
and
has that been done? Let me go ahead. Let me go ahead. Ina or Rob, can you guys go ahead and please
I did. I just did.
oh, cool.
Uh-huh.
all right, so I'll start testing this afternoon and go from there.
That sounds really good, John. We are going to, starting Monday, we're going to be doing this every day at dub.com/T as in training. So cruise back. Are you comfortable sharing your screen right now?
Sure,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay, great. So let's go ahead and do that and let's see what happens here.
Okay, you tell me when you can see. You probably see my Claude or Mini
Okay,
or
so
something.
now, okay, great. So now open up your browser, please, and then just go to ai.dub.com.
Anyway, I must have back. Oh, I see. AI doc. I have it somewhere. There we go.
Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is I like to look at your integrations. Connect your CRM. It's the most no-brainer thing that you can do.
All
So
right,
with your permission, I'm going to click this button. Is that okay?
go ahead.
Okay, so I won't be able to do this. This you'll have to do on your end. While you're doing that, let me just do a quick tutorial on the teleprompter.
Got it. Will do.
Okay, cool. So the Dub mobile app, the teleprompter in this right here, you can notice that if you click on dark mode right here, so if you click on dark mode, it's gonna change the UX a little bit with respect to the lighting. So that's one thing. The other thing that I recommend is your brightness on your phone, so you can adjust that. If you have any type of like sort of re what is it called? Night mode on your screen. You would probably want to shut that off. So I hope that helps. But folks, use the teleprompter. It is amazing. Teleprompters are not for weathermen anymore. It's not. It's for all of us. And once you do your 100 videos using the teleprompter, it's almost like you'll never go back, you know? So I highly encourage you guys to try that. And it becomes so easy now. This is my most golden statement when it comes to using a teleprompter. Imagine if you could record a 30-second video in 30 seconds. Because we all know, anyone that has experience, sometimes recording a 30-second video takes 30 minutes, or sometimes 30 days, because we never get to the finish line. With a teleprompter, you write the script, it's on the script, you read it, couple of practice runs is great. You read it and you upload it, and then you share it on Instagram, you share it in a dub video email. The sky's the limit. So,
All right, here we go.
all right.
All right, can you see my screen? Let me see if I can
Yes, we
do it.
can. Okay,
Because, hold on just a second. So it said it added it. Oh, there
there
it
it
is. I wonder.
is. And then just
Okay,
perfect. And then I saw those tags, John.
I got tags on everything, buddy.
Good job. Without tags, it's madness.
Yes,
You know,
yeah, because I had a bunch of leads with no tags. It took me a
that's what I'm
couple
talking
hours,
about. How many?
a couple hours to fix that.
You have 718 contacts. John, there is something that you could
Oh,
do, which is to have AI scan all your contacts. It is going to use some credits,
okay,
but it is one of the most valuable things you can do because to churn out, to purge out all the bad data from your CRM, it's like a glorious liberating it's like cleaning your garage, you know? It
yeah,
feels great. I if you want to prioritize that, I can show you how to do it.
okay, absolutely.
Okay, so now let me go over here. Let's see here. Do I have mouse control?
No, you got
Request.
to request it again.
Oh, okay, there it is.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, so what I would do is I would do a new chat. And you mentioned that some contacts don't have tags, right?
Very few, maybe one. I think I got most all of them with tags. I said I had spent a lot of time getting all tags on everybody.
Okay, I'm just thinking out loud here as I do this. Thanks, Michael. Scan my high-level CRM for the first 10 contacts and tell me which emails are bad. My goal is to tag contacts with bad emails as bad email to clean up my CRM.
Nice.
Are you sure this is integrated? Yeah, it's definitely integrated. Okay, so let me see here. These first-time connections, sometimes you have to go through a little bit of back and forth, but once it connects, it's good. I like how it was able to add your contact.
Yeah, that was
Now,
not
yeah, the other thing that we might do here is just go into high level and just do an export, and that's the next path that I'm choosing here. Okay, so I'm going to try that right now. So which one of these tabs is high level? Is it this one right here?
right there. No, well, that one.
This one?
No, yeah, no, go back over one because that's my
This one?
right there. Yes.
Okay, so if you go to contacts, select all, export. Can I do this?
Yeah, that's 718 of them.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do this. This is gonna work. Okay, so now where's the
Go to the stuff, just yeah, right there.
okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna save this to the desktop. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay.
I was saying something about that. Did you see what it was saying?
Yeah, I read it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to desktop and then I'm gonna go to
Short
date
button.
modified.
Go.
Rob, you can make me the host.
Okay, here you go. Ready?
Cool. Thanks, Rob. See you at the office.
Yep, see you in a bit. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah. So it's going to go through the process now. And then what you can do is once it creates all the bad emails, you can get to go add the tag to the content in high level. So I've done this
Right.
before with high level. I want to make sure it works with you. Helen, yes, we do these trainings every day. Tomorrow we have one at 12:30, and then starting Monday, they're going to be at 10 a.m. Pacific. And AI has an integration with LinkedIn. So what we always say if you want to jump the line, Helen, is upgrade your account as a paid user. Of course, we have to prioritize paid users. So upgrade your account and then come back tomorrow at 12:30 or Monday at 10 a.m. at dub.com/T as in training, and we can support you. There is a connection to LinkedIn. There are some limitations. It's not all connecting, but there are some ways to use LinkedIn with Dub AI. So especially doing posts. So you can ask Dub AI to write a post and then it will post onto LinkedIn for you. So can't do video. Can't do video. That's noteworthy. In hindsight, what I should have done, I sort of broke my own rule. What I always do is I always start with small batches.
Right.
I broke my own rule because normally I try it with 10. I think I got a little overzealous here. I'm curious to see what it's going to do. 718 contacts is probably a little bit too aggressive. What I should have done probably was to click contacts. Can you click contacts? I don't think my mouse is working.
There it is.
And then go ahead and click on this. Yeah, and then now you have 100 contacts selected. So how do you display? Oh, right here. Click on this on the bottom right, and then click 20. Yeah. So this is what I should have done just to get proof of concept. Click those 20, and then it's 100. Oh, I think you might have to reload the page.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah, there you
Yep.
go. And
There.
then export that, and then that's a good test. Oh, you know the inner workings here. Okay, cool.
Oh, You finished?
Okay, so let's see what it did here. So scroll down here. Yeah, so right
Let
here, emails to remove. So click
me
on that, please. And then let's go ahead and open that.
I save it to email.
Yeah, see, all these are bad emails.
That's it. Nice.
So scroll down, how many were there?
Good golly.
There you go. So half of those emails are unverified. That's a fact, and it tells you why they're disposable. Could not verify. You know, we use a series of APIs to test this, and we use an SMTP check and we use an MX lookup check as well. So there's two distinct checks on email validation here. So if you go and send to these emails, chances are it's not going to work. It's going to get
So, question, do you think that it's because over time they've changed emails possibly, or also
yes.
possibly they've put in a erroneous email?
Yeah, I mean, can you send me this list? Email me this
Sure.
list. There's another source that I'll check even on my end, but this
That's a
is,
lot.
yeah, it's half. I mean, like, send me this list. Send me
Okay.
this list of emails in an email, and I'll even do a deeper scrub for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay. So Ruben, R-U-B-E-N,
What's your
yeah,
when?
R-U-B-E-N at dub.com.
Oops.
I see a
Like
forward.
that?
Yeah, I see
Whoops.
it.
Yeah. Let
Okay.
me fix that.
Okay, you're good. Okay, send me that list and I'll do another test. Yeah, so the process that you would do here is you would ask WAI to add a tag that says bad email and go and add it to your
Right.
so the reason why that's valuable is because you won't be sending bad emails to them. You're not deleting those contacts, so they're still in your CRM,
Well,
but at
yeah,
least
the phone numbers could be right. We don't know.
that's another thing. That's another thing. The phone
Don't
numbers,
know.
right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, I got your email. So let me get back to you. I'm gonna have the
Okay.
team do
Yeah,
another,
I'm
but you
gonna
can
have to drop. I've got another call to get on.
same. Okay, cool. Thank you. Appreciate you, John. Come back
No,
tomorrow, same time.
thank you so much. What time are you doing it tomorrow?
Tomorrow's at the same time.
Oh, it is. I don't know if I'll be available.
Okay, and then starting Monday, it's at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Okay, that's
Yeah,
12 a.m. time. You're on
John,
the
please consider these.
you're on the
Please
West
cons.
Coast.
Yeah, we're in yeah, yes, West Coast,
Okay,
10 a.m. Pacific.
gotcha.
John,
Okay,
please consider upgrading your WAI account so we can put you to the front of the line.
okay,
All right, John.
that's great. All right, bud.
Let's do
Have a
it.
great week. Have a great weekend.
Take care, John.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.